When we run our class, we run the method public static void main string square bracket args. I drew a box for all the local variables inside the main method, and I labeled it with the name of the method, main. I would read line 3 as dog D gets new dog. I read the equal sign as gets because the equal sign doesn't behave like it does in math. We evaluate and then store. So we evaluate the right-hand side, and then we store the value on the left-hand side. On line 3, I created a variable named D of type dog. That's a variable that can reference a dog object. Now I'm ready to store a reference to a dog in the variable D. Remember, we evaluate and then store, so we need to first evaluate the right-hand side. The right-hand side says new dog with parentheses after it. That calls the dog constructor, which makes an object of type dog. A constructor is a method that makes new objects, and we call it with the keyword new. So here we have our new dog object. The constructor returns a reference to our new object. So I can point that at the dog. That's what gets returned. And we store the reference returned by the constructor in the variable D. The big idea here is that calling a constructor makes a new object.